Okay girls, we are going to, in the last slide or in the last PPT, we have discussed about subquery. What is subquery? A query within the query is called as subquery. So in subquery, we can use the keywords like all and any. Any is nothing but it returns true if any one of the subquery values meet the condition. Means if the subquery values meet the condition, if it satisfies, then it is going to print true. All operator returns true if all the subquery values meet the condition. Okay, so see the example here. Select product name. I'm selecting one of the column product name from product, where product ID is equal to any. Select product from orders details, where quantity is equal to 0. In the above example, it returns true or list the product names if it finds any records in the order detail table quantity is greater than 99. Means if this first which will be executed, inner query will be executed. In the inner query, it is going to select product from order details table, where quantity is equal to 0. So it is going to select the product details where quantity is 0, and that is any, means it is going to print true. So the output will be true. So select product name from product where product ID is equal to true. So if the product ID value is true, then it is going to print all the product names from the product table. So like that we can use the same for any. All, instead of any we will write all. See the below example. Select product name from product where product ID is equal to all. Select product ID from order details where quantity is equal to 0 or 10 or 99, like that we can write. So here we can use operators like less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay. So this is the any and all are the operators that are used in subqueries. Like that we can use exist also. Exist or not exist in SQL. So exist operator is used to test for the existence of any record in the, means it is going to check whether it exists in the subquery or not. It returns true if subquery returns one or more returns. It is going to print true if it consists of one or more records in the table. Select column name from table name where exist. There we wrote any or all. Here we'll write exist. That's it. Select column name from table name where exist. Select column name from table name where condition. Okay. So see the example. Select column name means instead of column name I can add one more any field like student ID or roll number. From table name student where exist. Again select column name from other table. Okay, so instead of exist we can write not exist. So the syntax and example will be same. Next concept is views. What is view? A view is a virtual table based on the result of an SQL statement. So generally we create tables. So I want two columns from one table, and I want one more two columns from one more table. By using these two columns, four columns from different tables, I can create one more table. So that is virtual table. Views contains rows and columns just like the real table. So a view always show up to date details. How the syntax will be: create view, view name as, select column 1 column 2 from table name where condition. So create or replace view. So I am writing the view name, that is B customers, as, select C name, contact name from customers where country is equal to Brazil. So I want the list of the customer names and customer names from the customer table where country is Brazil. So for this I am creating a view. So here if you want you can drop the view also. So when we create the table we can drop the view also. A view can be deleted and dropped with drop command. So drop view, whatever the view name you have created, just drop the view name. Drop view name. how you can view this one. So we are creating the view now. How you'll retrieve the values from the view? Just select start from view name. So here we have created B customers. So I am selecting select star from B customers. So all the values of the B customers will be listed. So if you want, you can update also. If you want, you can update the view also. How you will update it? Create or replace view name as select column 2 from table name where condition. So for creating, just create view name, right? If you want to update, you will update create or replace view name as well. Like that you can create the view, you can drop the view, you can update the view. So what is view? View is a virtual table which consists of some SQL statements. So a view can be dropped, a view can be updated, a view can be created. What is the syntax? Create view name as select start from student or EMP. If you want, you can write the where condition. So if it satisfies, it's going to select only that columns and it's going to create a view. Okay, so this is the concept of view. Thank you.